welcome to breakfast. I got some coffee. I'm gonna try this Twinkies, this cereal here, to see if it tastes good. To see if it tastes like Twinkies.
The tiny Hostess bakery is at it again with another miniature masterpiece. It's the golden Twinkies goodness you know and love, now a tiny, tasty cereal. New Hostess Twinkies cereal. Also try honey bun.
Got some orange juice. This cereal here. Oh, dude, it smells fucking awesome. Okay, let's try the cereal, dude. These are fucking awesome. You almost have like a creamy center or some shit. I'm not really sure if I'm just imagining that. So basically, they have a like vanilla-y taste, and it's got a creamy center, and it kind of tastes like a Twinkie, but not really. It has just like a vanilla taste to it. They're still pretty fucking crunchy, you know, which is good. A lot of people like their cereal to stay crunchy and all that shit. Not bad, to be honest, dude. When you're an adult, you can just throw trash in the room and get it later. So that's pretty good cereal. I mean, not really fucking bad. It's pretty good. It's a golden snake cat. It's a fucking golden snake. What the hell is it? Golden, delicious snack, creamy treat. It's a golden snack cake. That's what I was trying to say. It's a golden snake cat. It's a golden snack cake. It's a golden snack cake, delicious treat. They're still fucking crunchy. That's the one thing I wanted to get soggy, man. I'm a fan of soggy cereal. Not a big fan of crunchy cereal. Yeah, it's still fucking crunchy. That's fucking amazing, to be honest. You know, for saying that it's replicating something that's very soft, you know, like a cake or whatever, and then for the cereal to still be crunchy, you know, fucking 10 minutes after putting it in the milk, that's pretty intense. Makes no sense, to be honest. Yeah, so there doesn't appear to be anything creamy in there. Thank you for watching. I'm going to finish eating cereal because I'm fucking starving.